Hello everyone, welcome back to Lupina's Kitchenette. To all my dear viewers and subscribers to Lupina's Kitchenette, thank you for watching my vlogs. And today's cooking, I am just cooking here a simple recipe. This is a stir-fry cabbage with a sliced sausages with carrots, with pepper celery and bell pepper added with black pepper, paprika powder, garlic powder, and chicken bouillon. And this is it. This is a very simple food but healthy and yummy. This is a healthy diet food if you want to lose your weight or to maintain your weight to be slim. So just cook this way. Just simply cook garlic, onions, add the sliced sausages, carrots, cabbage, bell pepper, and add your seasoning. So this is a very simple way on how to cook express sausage cabbage with sausage. Instead of sausage, you can use beef or chicken. But for express cooking, I am using the sausages and I just slice it. This is a sausage for the sandwich, for the making of sandwich. So this is it, guys. In 3 minutes, your food is ready if you cook your vegetables like this. Very express. And if you want to add this one with noodles, you can add this one with instant noodles or bihon, canton, or spaghetti noodles, or whatever noodles you like to add to the sausage dishes. This is a healthy diet food and very affordable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Lupina's Kitchenette. Bon appetit! Bye bye!